Use a KVM switch on a home network. A KVM switch is a device that allows you to control other systems with the use of one keyboard, mouse, or a monitor. Using this is advantageous if you want to control or access other computers in your home network by using just one keyboard, mouse, or monitor. Setting a KVM switch to use for your home network is really easy. Read the instructions that are provided here to learn how to do it properly. Materials that you need. Make sure that you have all the materials that you need to set up the KVM switch. Also, the materials that you use should be compatible with the computers that you have. You need a KVM cable, VGA cable, adapters, and USB cables. You can view different types of KVM switches that will fit your needs from Amazon. Visit the web page Amazon, KVM switches. Set up devices on a network. First, you have to make sure that all the computers and devices that you want to control are included in your home network. To do this, you can view the instructions on the website Wireless Home Network Setup. You can include computers, laptops, PDAs, and other wireless devices. Afterwards you can proceed with the next steps below. Set up your computers and devices. Turn off your computer before you connect all the components. Get the KVM switch. Attach the video monitor, mouse and the keyboard to the KVM switch. Make sure that you plug them into their corresponding places on the KVW switch. Next, connect the keyboard to the computer. Do this with the mouse too. Next, connect the monitor to the computers. You should use the right cables that you need in order to connect all the devices to the computers. Turn on the computers. Now you can test the KVM switch to see if it works on your home network. Turn on all the computers that you want to control with the KVM switch. Afterwards, test to see if the mouse, monitor and keyboard are working on all the computers that are included in your home network. The KVM switch should now work properly. If you are having problems, you might not have connected the cables the right way on the KVM switch. Turn off the computers and redo the steps above. If you have done everything the right way, you should have no problems. These are the steps that you have to follow in order to use a KVM switch on a home network. If you are having trouble doing the setup, you might want to seek professional help to do the installation for you. Now you can use a single mouse, keyboard, or monitor on your computers, laptops and other network devices with the KVM switch. A KVM switch does not only work on your keyboard, mouse, and monitor. You can also connect other devices such as USB-connected devices and speakers. Most KVM switches are used with only 2 computers, but you can set up your home network and KVM switch to accommodate as many computers as you need.